Now, if you're in an area with snow this morning, we would love to see your pictures. So if you could email them to us at yourpictures@bbc.co.uk, that would be brilliant. Check out the terms and conditions first of all, though, and you'll find them on our website. If you look at your pictures in the story page on our homepage, excuse me, I'm going to sneeze, that would be great. Back to you two.
Bless you.
Thank you.
Bless
So
you.
mean of the cameraman to stay on her.
Dear,
Director,
poor
maybe.
thing.
Bless you, Carol. I know how you feel. Thank you.